Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. So today's video is gonna be a subscription unboxing. I still haven't received them all yet. They're all coming in sporadically, but I did get Play and I did get Allure. So I'm really excited about this because this is the one that Jaclyn Hill curated. But yes, before we get into that, just to let you guys know, I am back from out of town, and yeah, got back couple yesterday, no, day before that, and yeah. So I'm gonna today is Christmas Eve, so and my grandmother is gonna be coming up here in not long, so I figured that I will go ahead and film a couple of videos before we go over to my mom and dad's house for that little get together. So yeah, I'm gonna do this subscription unboxing, and I think I'm gonna do a sort of a since I didn't get to do a like a what's in my travel makeup bag, like what I'm taking with me. I figured I would do a sort of unpacking, like what I took with me instead, and then I may do a video on how I did my makeup while I was gone and whatever else. So yeah, but I guess we will go ahead and get into this subscription unboxing because I'm dying. I can't wait because I love the Sephora box and I'm really excited for the Allure. So yeah, just excuse my bare face. I haven't got ready yet. I just wanted to do this, so I may get ready on camera since it is Christmas Eve, so we'll see. Okay, let's start with, I don't know which one I should start with. We'll start with Allure. Sure, sounds good. I don't know. I'm horrible with decisions. Except I'm not really sure how I'm going to open this. So I know that you guys probably won't see this on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve or anything because I probably won't get the chance to film tomorrow, Christmas Day, because I'll be so busy. I highly doubt I'll have the chance to, so I'm filming a few today. But so with that being said, what do you guys plan on doing for Christmas? Since it is basically here. Okay. I lied, therefore I am. Okay, and here's Jaclyn Hill's beautiful face. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Okay. I've only seen glimpses of this box, so I think I know one or two things that are in here, but have you tried Bauble Bar? We know the right accessories make a big impact. With over 500 outfit making accessories, we make it easy to experiment with style. $20 gift. That is amazing, you guys. Okay. Alright. And of course, the first thing I see in here is her favorite cleanser. She's been using this for years. It's the Purity Philosophy, just 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. That's awesome. I already had a sample of this from a couple of boxes ago. I haven't used, so that's awesome to have another. Okay. And this Oribe Matte Waves Texture Lotion. I haven't even heard her talk about this, but that doesn't mean a lot. Has anybody tried this? Okay, it says glide into damp hair, defining waves and natural texture as you go. Apply bronzer while you air dry. How cute. And an Hourglass Mineral Veil. I haven't tried this. Directions say shake well, apply with fingertips or hourglass brush. Number 2, follow with foundation for a truly flawless finish. Huh. I haven't tried that. However, gotta have to. Okay. And then a mascara, a Dior sample. Oh, I guess I should show you that. Whoops. Almost forgot it. Then this beautiful thing. Dior Mascara Professional Volume Mascara. Buildable Professional Volume. Wow. It looks like it's going to be a big brush. Can y'all see that? I'm probably behind even on doing this video, but I was out of town. I couldn't film. Oh, Lord. I'm excited about this. It's the Champagne Pop. Oh, how beautiful that bad boy is. Yes, girl. So I'm not going to swatch that because I already know what it looks like, but I will swatch it from her other palette. Which is right here. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Beautiful. Could you see that? I don't know if you could even see that. Of course, but that highlighter is bomb, so it's blinding. Okay, and then we got a Morphe M433 blending brush. Life's too short to blend in. Morphe babes, blend the rules, or blend the rules. And then Jaclyn Hill wrote this little paragraph right here. It says the holy grail of blending brushes. I don't think I could do my makeup without this one. What is it? Can I open it? Oh shit. Oh, it's basically, I probably already have this one. It's like I don't know where one is right now, but it's like a Sigma E25 and a MAC 217, I think is what it's called. That's amazing. Jaclyn sent some amazing stuff in this box. Y'all know I love me some Morphe brushes, so. Okay, let's see what the queen says. Okay, icon status. Believe me when I say that it takes less than 10 seconds to understand the irresistible charm of Jaclyn Hill. She is like the Julia Roberts of YouTube. Gorgeous, funny, and supremely talented. If you aren't one of the 4.5 million who already watch her makeup tutorials, I suggest you start with Full Face Highlighter Challenge. It's both hilarious, girl knows her way around sarcasm. I feel like my entire life has led to this moment, and inspiring. I may try baking with a pearly powder, or baking full stop. I did watch that video, so I kind of remember all that. The videos are so addictive that you'll find yourself watching the next one in a loop. No mirror makeup challenge, and the next, and before you know it, it's time for lunch, and you'll wonder where your morning went, and if you should pop on false lashes before school pickup. We were lucky enough to parlay our obsession with Jaclyn into this co-curated beauty box that features some of her all-time favorites, including the compact that almost broke the internet. Have at it. Champagne Pop. Bonus. Inspired by Jaclyn's love of all things sparkly, we've included a gift card to Bell Bar. That is amazing. Okay, the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. If you have oily or combination skin, this primer is going to change your life, and now you're thinking, yeah, right, I've heard that one before. Allow me to explain. Managing shine is tricky business. We blot, we powder, we eat less dairy, we mask a lot, all in an effort to keep our T-zone in check and make pores less noticeable. Some of the tricks work, others backfire, but that's all beside the point because this primer eliminates the need for any tricks at all. The oil-free liquid doesn't have a greasy slip of most primers. It's creamy and white and layers easily. And most important, it prevents the sebum in our skin from melting off our makeup. Smooth on a dime-sized dollop, but there will be a momentary ghostly cast, but fear not because it will disappear, and then go about your usual makeup routine using as much or as little as you feel like using. Leave your blotting papers at home. You won't need them today. Well, if it's good for oil or combination, I probably won't like it because I do not have either one of those. And I'm surprised she uses it because of the minor fact that she supposedly has dry skin. And then, of course, the Morphe Pro M433 Firm Blending Brush. I sound like I'm running a marathon. What's wrong with me? So, ride or die, my absolute favorite eye brush of all time, the most multifunctional brush that I own, says Jaclyn Hill. Loves her Morphe brush. The quality, the value, but this may actually be her favorite of all time, and for good reason. The goat hair bristles are slightly longer in the center, making it ideal for packing on powder, defining the outer crease, blending shadow out, and even applying color in the transition area. That will be the area between your eye and between your crease and the brow bone. Okay. And then Dior Show Mascara. Even a classic needs a makeover now and again, which is exactly which makeup artist Peter Phillips did for Dior Show Mascara when he became Dior's makeup creative and image director for a few years. A few years ago. An updated wiper system guarantees that when you pull the brush out of the tube, you get the perfect amount of mascara goop on the brushes. Tiny fibers were added to the formula so you get even richer, longer looking lashes. Girl. And then Oribe Matte Waves Texture Lotion. Sexy and effortless. 2 words that accompany virtually every description of beach waves. One reason may be that these ropey waves conjure up the images of surfers. I can't read today, y'all. What is wrong with me? Images of surfers in bikinis, even if you happen to spot them on your colleague across the conference table. Another might be that they produce a texture that truly looks good on every hair type and length, short of diving off a pier and into the Pacific. This lotion is our new favorite way to create the look. It provides hold to define bends and moisture to smooth the frizz. The best part is that you can scrunch it into damp hairs, twist, and air dry. That's kind of cool. Retails for $42. The mascara retails for $28.50. Brush is $6. And the Mineral Veil Primer is $54. And Becca Champagne Pop. This highlighter, co-created by Jaclyn Hill, kicked off an internet frenzy. A record 25,000 compacts sold in 20 minutes, complete with its own hashtag, Finding Champagne Pop. Never ones to just buy into hype. We tested it ourselves, and even our cynical selves were impressed. It uses pearl pigments, not glitter, to give skin a pretty but restrained sheen. The soft gold with sunny peach tones makes it universally flattering. It's not muddy on fair skin or ghostly on dark skin. And in addition to making cheekbones luminescent, we've also found that dusting it on our clavicles produces a Victoria's Secret-esque sheen that's smoking hot at all of our holiday party dresses, or with all of our holiday party dresses, or any of our dresses really. And it retails for $38. And then her favorite cleanser, the Philosophy Purity One-Step Cleanser. This creamy formula has won multiple Allure Reader Choice Awards, and it's easy to see why. The milky white liquid foams up quickly to whisk away makeup, unclog pores, and leave skin feeling velvety. I think I need coffee. Think about that for a second. A cleanser that removes long-wear lipstick, waterproof mascara that doesn't strip your skin. It may seem like a makeup removal miracle, but it's actually just 12 essential oils, including sandalwood, carrot, sage, and megafoam, that work with the cleansing agents, sodium, I don't know how to say that, to guarantee that skin feels as soft as it does fresh. And the price for this size is $24. They have several sizes. Well, that was a mouthful. Okay, and I'm super excited to try all of this, so yeah. Okay, so now on to the Sephora box. Man, I'm sorry it took me so long to read all that. Dear God. Apparently, I didn't need to read today. Y'all are thinking, Destin, you just don't need to film right now. Okay. And here's the bag. It's gold. Glam Straight. Okay, here is a perfume sample, the Miss Dior. I've actually heard a lot of people talk about this, so. It does smell good. Slightly musky. Slightly. Well, I don't know if it is musky or not. It says the beauty of a grassy rose wrapped in a rose wrapped in a ribbon of fresh notes and woven with a lively rosewood, the modern and confident femininity of essential floral. It really does smell good. I might have to see what my husband thinks about this one. Possibly buy it next time. Okay, and the next thing I see, ooh, is Confidence in a Cream. I have been wanting to try this. I want to say that I have before, but I don't remember, so, yeah. Oh, and here was, I don't know if I showed you this or not. And here's this, Confidence in a Cream. You know what else I want to try? I want to try Confidence in a Compact. I have yet to try that. God, y'all, I'm sorry about my hair. I just haven't fixed it yet. Okay, and it says, well, I'll read the directions or whatever in a few minutes. What is this from Smashbox? See, like the cutest little thing. Oh my gosh. Ooh, those are beautiful. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Let's swatch. Ooh, girl. Those are beautiful. Are these eyeshadows? What are these? Cover Shot Golden Hour Eyeshadow Duo. Turned on and psyched. Those are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And Makeup Forever. What is this? Artist Rouge Cream. Is this a lipstick? I think it is. Yes, it is. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, girl. That's gorgeous. Now, that's my kind of nude. I like that. It's almost like a berry, but at the same time, it's very muted. I love that. That's gorge. And Bumble and Bumble Thickening Spray Pre-Styler. Okay, we'll read about that in just a second. And I have a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara sample. Of course, y'all know I already purchased that, but I was waiting to get one. Okay. Okay, behold the Golden Hour Smashbox Cover Shot Eyeshadow Duo in Golden Hour. The high pigment eyeshadow palette featuring warm bronzy shades. Why you'll love it. Smashbox knows a thing or two about good lighting. The brand started as a photography studio in Los Angeles. The colors in this duo will give you the sunlit Southern California glow. Using an eyeshadow brush or your finger, sweep across your eyelids before applying eyeliner or mascara. That's beautiful. Okay, it doesn't say how much it retails for, unfortunately. The lipsticks of the trade. That Makeup Forever lipstick is in the color Rosewood. It's really pretty. Then the thickening spray, a sagging spray that extends your style, lifts at the roots, and makes hair appear full and luminous. And it says how to use to finish your look, mist evenly over styled strands to add texture, spray all over wet or damp hair before styling or air drying. And then y'all know how to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex, and that it's a the cult favorite. Okay, and then the It Cosmetics, the moisturizer. Says this moisturizer developed with the help of plastic surgeons contains ingredients like collagen, hyaluronic acid to fight visible signs of aging. Think fine lines, wrinkles, and discoloration and uneven skin tone. Alright. Okay, y'all. I love the Sephora box. It's always a good one. It's always a good one. Okay, guys. So until I get, I think the only one that I am missing right now is GLOSSYBOX. So until I get that in, that's pretty much all for this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry if it was kind of long and just all over the place. Apparently I'm not with it today, but I do need to film some videos. So. Okay, so if you like this video, you guys know what to do. Please give it a like, share, comment, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you so, so much. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have such a Merry Christmas. I love you guys so much, and I really thank you for your support, and I hope the rest of your holiday is just amazing. And y'all know Christmas is one of my favorites. It's definitely at the top, so... yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.